Step number 1, for each bracket, unscrew the rubber nut and slide the L bracket towards the indent to remove. Pull out the lock pin on each bracket and open the long bracket arm to 90 degrees, lifting and fitting the short arm into the divot of the long bracket arm. With the brackets folded up, screw the adjustment bar onto the brackets. You'll only need to screw the adjustment bolts approximately halfway into the bottom of each bracket. Then fold the brackets back down. Each bracket has a location plate. You're going to line up the brackets to the marked A and B locations and ensure that the location plate is touching the bottom of the backsplash. Then screw in the bracket to the backsplash in the marked locations. For each bracket, remove the lock pins and pull the long bracket up. You'll reinsert these afterwards. Place the wooden bar top face down on an elevated surface, and then place the long bracket arm upside down on the wooden bar top, ensuring that the bar top and the backsplash edges are aligned before screwing in the brackets. Stick the protective foam pad underneath each L bracket and reinsert the L bracket and slide it into its furthest distance. Mount the balcony bar by placing the bracket clamps on the railing. Ensure to line up the brackets against the 2 vertical posts. Securely clamp in the L bracket and fasten the rubber nut tightly. Fold up the bar top, put in the small brackets into the larger brackets, put in your lock pins, adjust the levelers so that your bar top's at 90 degrees, add your fastening straps to secure the bar, and there you go. The last step is simply to enjoy your views.